Hi there, this is Alex with another episode of CEC Tips and Tricks. In this series, we cover some frequently asked questions that we get from our customers from around the region. This week, we've got a question from a customer from the Philippines asking, how does the Ricoh C9200 handle textured media? This is a great question, and in fact, a customer visited CEC recently to try out the C9200, and one of the things he wanted to test was its media handling. This customer brought with him some textured media which he was having issues with, as well as a print from his existing printer. What we found was a common issue faced when printing on textured media, which is white spots that are caused by the toner not transferring properly to the media. Printing on textured media allows us to add value by adding tactile sensations to our prints. One of the key strengths of the C9200 is its ability to print on a wide range of media from thick to thin, and even producing good quality images on rough textured media. Let's take a look at some of the settings available to us to help us achieve this. When setting up the media, we set it as a custom paper and set the media as textured. With this, the printer will automatically make adjustments internally to suit printing on textured media. Here we can see the difference it makes by simply setting the media type to textured. However, if we look closely, there are still certain areas which can be improved, so let's try to do that. This is when the many customizable settings of the C9200 come in handy. With regards to this issue, what we want to adjust are the paper transfer pressure, as well as the transfer current and voltage. First, we'll go to the paper transfer pressure menu and we'll increase the value for pressure mode. After which, we'll head over to the paper transfer output menu to adjust the voltage. The voltage can be increased or decreased based on the symptoms faced. There's no one-size-fits-all solution, so we recommend trying both to see which produces the best results. Here's a print after doing the adjustments, and we can see that the white spots have been completely eliminated. The print quality looks as if it was printed on smooth, non-textured media. If you're ever faced with a similar issue, try out these adjustments for yourself and see the difference it makes when printing on challenging media types. We've come to the end of this tips and tricks series, but we'll definitely be back in the near future to answer more frequently asked questions, so keep those questions coming in. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.